Susan Kingsley was an American actress. Early life and education. Kingsley studied drama at the University of Kentucky, and at the London Academy of Music and Dramatic Art. Career. Kingsley was a member of Actors Theatre of Louisville, where she appeared in the main role of Marsha Norman's play Getting Out. She went on to act in on- and off-Broadway productions. Kingsley appeared in films including Coal Miner's Daughter, Popeye, Reckless, Steel, Old Enough, Sunshine on the Way, and The Doll Maker. Susan Kingsley at the Internet Movie Database.